Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Vapor Canister Purge Valve. This vapor canister purge valve is specifically for various Chevy and Buick models, such as the Encore, Cruze, Sonic, or Trax, all with the 1.4 liter engine, and from years 2013 to 2019. This replacement purge valve solenoid is a critical component of the EVAP system, as it helps regulate the flow of fuel vapors being released for the engine to burn instead of out to the environment as pollution. When these go bad, your vehicle may be experiencing a rough idle, hard to start after refueling, poor fuel economy, or your check engine light has already come on and is producing code P0496. This replacement vapor canister purge valve is a direct OEM replacement part and includes a high-quality metal stem, robust construction throughout for extended life, and an OEM electrical connector. Installation is very straightforward on these. Once you locate your purge valve inside the engine bay around the throttle body, you pinch off the old one, remove the tube going to the fuel tank, disconnect the OEM plug, and slide it off the holder. Installation of this new one would be in the reverse order. If you have any questions about this replacement vapor canister purge valve, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.